The Dherbs 180 Challenge is changing lives. Erica lost 26 pounds. Michael lost 36 pounds. And Latrice lost 27 pounds. Join the thousands who have already turned their lives around by taking part in the Dherbs 180 Challenge. But it's not just about losing weight, it's about making changes that will help you live happier and healthier for the rest of your life. Go to dherbs180.com and sign up and register for our next challenge round and experience this unique 60-day full-body transformation for yourself. We provide the tools to help you meet your goals. Raw and vegan recipes for all 3 phases, beginner, intermediate, and advanced workout guides, videos, and more. As we guide you through the transformation process, you'll have access to our exclusive Facebook group where you can post and share your experiences during the challenge or be an inspiration or be inspired by others. Plus, one male and female winner will take home the grand prize of $5,000. What are you waiting for? Go to dherbs180.com and see for yourself. That new you is only 60 days away.